Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add column in a Power BI. Now once you launch Power BI, I want you to come here, click on Home in the top panel, and then click here on Transform Data. This will open up your Power Query Editor, and as you can see up here we have this option that says Add Column. Okay, let me close this thing. Now, this is the table I'll add a column to, right? So you just come here to add column. There's different columns you can do. You can do column from different examples. You can do custom. You can do custom function, conditional ones, duplicate. I'll click on custom column. Let's go ahead and create our own column. And here we can name our column. So let me go ahead and name it customer ID and name. Okay. We'll do a name right here with this symbol. Perfect. Now we will go ahead and enter the formula. Let me go ahead and fix that. So here we can go ahead and add different columns to use. So let's go ahead and get customer ID, click on it, and then click on insert. And now we need to add formulas. So of course you can come here and learn different formulas. I'll use this one right here, where basically we are going to be adding this string of text, which is just a comma, and then we'll also add another column. So I'll come here and let's select customer name, insert this, and as you can see, there are no syntax errors that have been detected, so it's perfectly fine. Come here, click on OK, and that column, as you can see, has now been added. Now to add this to your table is very easy. Just come here, click on Home, close and apply, or you can click on this one at the top right. Make sure you save your changes. Okay, click on yes to save your changes. Now we can come back here. You'll see another, field appearing that we can use. So let's wait for this to be done. All right, so the rows have loaded in. And there we go. We can just come here and toggle this one on, and we should have our extra column. As you can see, really that easy and simple.